In 1 minute, I'm going to make this delicious afang soup. Guys, all I had to do was to just get my vegetable ready, and then I put in my periwinkles, my crayfish, and my salt, and then I stir a bit before adding pepper because I needed this afang soup to be really hot. And then I went in with my seasoning powder and my protein. You can see the meat, the fish, and everything is in the pot right now. I'm putting in my palm oil, and I need to give it a stir for a while so everything mix up. And then I put in the afang leaf. I don't know what you call it in your area, but it's afang leaf. I added a little oil to make it make sense. As you can see, guys, the afang soup is already looking so nice. All we needed to do was just wait for a while so this soup is going to steam, and then you get the final result. Guys, trust me, you're going to love this soup when you give it a taste. Just check this out. Check this out, guys. Tell me you don't like what you see. Oh my god. Subscribe for more, and I'll be sharing my wonderful recipes with you so you know how to cook. All these men that like saying it's a woman's duty to cook. See, you have to learn how to cook because it's not a woman's duty. Bye.